Hello and welcome to your Victoria mid-month real estate stats update. The most common question that I get almost on a daily basis is, how is the market? Everyone wants to know whether it's busy or it's slow, whether prices are going up or going down. The answer is always it depends. It depends on what product type you're looking at, whether it's condos, townhouses, or single family. And also in the neighborhood, there's different market conditions in every neighborhood, and also on price point. Definitely different uh, amounts of demand and supply in different price points. So we're going to get into those nuances in future videos. For today, we're going to focus on what has happened month to date and make some projections for the end of the month. So been hearing some rumors that things are picking up in the market. That's where we're starting to hear, starting to feel, but is that actually true? We have so far this month seen 397 pending sales month to date. Of those 397 sales, 120 have been condo sales. So based on that pace, we should see 200 condo sales by the end of the month. That would make up 32.7% of the market, which is about normal for the greater Victoria area. 45 of the sales so far have been townhouses. If we look at that pace of sales so far, that should lead to about 75 sales by the end of the month, which would be 11.3% of the market. As expected, the vast majority of sales have been single family sales. We've seen 202 single family sales month to date. And based on this pace, that should lead to 337 sales approximately by the end of the month, which would be 50.8% of the market, which is bang on with what we typically see in Victoria. It's very much a single family driven market. So if we look at the pace and project the end of the month, we should see about 662 sales by the end of this month. Last year, June 2024, we saw 661 sales. So we're basically bang on with 2024. So does that mean that it's exactly the same? Is it busier? What can we make of these numbers? Well, it doesn't really help to compare things year to year. Of course, that tells us something. It's obviously very similar to last year. But it's more important to look at things in terms of the bigger picture. So I like to use the 10-year average. The 662 sales that I'm projecting for the end of this month would be 19.9% below the 10-year average for the month of June, or 11.4% below the median. So it's definitely slower. We've seen slower than this, but it's definitely slower than it typically is in June. So my question for you is, how does it feel to you? Please post your comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have an awesome day.